Hi everyone, myself Srinivas. In this video, we will discuss concept on realize and or not operations using NOR gate. Okay, as we know that NOR gate is a universal gate. Okay, by using universal gate, we can construct any other basic gates like AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Nothing but by using NOR gate, we will construct operation of AND gate. By using NOR gate, we will construct operation of OR gate. By using NOR gate, we will construct operation of NOT gate. Then we will have basic information about OR gate. So we will have basic information about NOR gate. NOR gate is a combination of OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, the output of OR gate is A plus B, and output of OR gate is given as an input to the NOT gate, that is A plus B whole bar. So you will get this is a standard NOR gate. Okay, two input standard NOR gate. So input A and B are the inputs, A plus B whole bar will be the output. So it is to easily remember how to draw output to given inputs of NOR gate, just write down this is two inputs NOR gate. Okay, to the OR gate, if you give one bubble, then it is a NOR gate. So write down first input of NOR gate as it is, and second input of NOR gate plus in between plus and whole bar. Suppose if it is a single input NOR gate, so all the inputs are tied together and only one input is there, that is A, and write down input as it is an output and keep one bar above the A. Okay, in this way we can easily remember how to write the outputs of given inputs of NOR gate. Okay, if you need further clear information about the gates concept, you refer my previous videos. Okay, here very first time we'll see how to construct NOT gate by using NOR gate. Nothing but NOT gate operation can be constructed by using NOR gate. As we know, NOT gate operation is, suppose the input is A, output will be A bar. As we know that input is A means output will be A bar. If you give input 0, output you will get as 1. If you give input 1, output you will get as 0 for NOT gate. So the same operation you have to get for NOR gate using NOT gate. Here also you have to get same output. Nothing but complement of the input is nothing but NOT gate. So write down, as just now we have discussed easy way of writing output. So write down this A as it is here and keep one bar. As we know that A and input is A, output means A bar means complement, and nothing but you achieved the functionality of NOT operation by using NOR gate. Here only one NOR gate is required to construct the functionality of NOT gate, or nothing but the operation of NOT gate. Okay, then we will see how to construct OR gate operations, nothing but OR gate by using NOR gate. Nothing but we have to get OR gate functionality, that is A plus B. As we know, OR gate functionality is A plus B. Okay, we have to get the same functionality by using NOR gates. Okay, as we know, NOR gate can be constructed by OR gate and NOT gate. So by writing two NOT gates, we can get OR gates, we can construct OR gates. Nothing but two NOR gates are required to construct OR gate. Okay, first two inputs are given to first NOR gate, and write down as it is A, B, and in between A plus B plus and bar. The this total output of first NOR gate is given as an input to the second NOR gate, then A plus, we'll see, A plus B is the input of first NOR gate, A plus B whole bar, and just after second NOR gate keep one more bar, and these bar will get cancelled, nothing but A plus B. By using A double bar equal to A is a NOT law. By using NOT law, these two bars will get cancelled and A plus B will be the output. Nothing but we got, as we know, OR gate output is A plus B. By using NOR gate, we constructed OR gate functionality, okay, by using two NOR gates. Okay, now we will see how to construct AND gate by using NOR gates. Okay, we need 3 NOR gates to construct functionality of AND gate using NOR gates. Okay, 3 NOR gates are required. First NOR gate, input A is given to first NOR gate, and you will get output as it is. Write down input A here and keep one bar. And second NOR gate, you write down B as it is. You have given one input B, and write down B as it is and keep bar above B and bar above it. And the output of first two NOR gates is given as an input to the third gate. So here we will see A bar is one input, and A bar and B bar, and keep plus and bar above it. As we know, treat this A bar as A, B bar as B. Then as we know, A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar by using De Morgan's law. Here A bar, this is A, right now after De Morgan's law, dot B bar whole bar. So these bar and these bar will get cancelled as A double bar equal to A by using NOT law. Okay, so final output will be A dot B. As we know, the output of AND gate is A dot B, and after by using 3 NOR gates, we have constructed the functionality of AND gate by using NOR gate. Okay, finally we got A dot B. Okay, hope you understand this concept clearly. Okay, if you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We will meet with next topic in next video.